the Linear Regression Slope Indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Experienced traders can easily download the essential indicator file for both the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 trading platforms from this dedicated section. Furthermore, to comprehensively learn precisely how this powerful indicator truly works and effectively operates, they can readily refer to this informative and detailed page. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is added to the chart, a histogram window will appear at the bottom of the chart. The Linear Regression Slope Indicator is a truly special and highly practical tool that allows astute traders to effectively identify significant bullish and bearish trends within the dynamic market environment. Traders can readily utilize this powerful indicator to precisely recognize the prevailing market trend. For instance, when the histogram visually changes its color from a distinct red to a clear blue, it unequivocally indicates a strong bullish trend is emerging. And conversely, when the histogram transitions from a vibrant blue to a deep red, it clearly signals a developing bearish trend in the market. Furthermore, when the histogram values consistently decrease, it importantly indicates a potential change in the overall market trend direction, thereby allowing us to more accurately predict potential trading opportunities and significant trend reversals. Here, we can distinctly observe that the histogram values are steadily decreasing, yet the price action is simultaneously making higher highs and higher lows. And immediately after that, we clearly see the price enters a sustained downtrend. Similarly, in this particular section, we can plainly see that the histogram values are also decreasing, and subsequently, the market trend decisively shifts to a pronounced bullish trend. In the Comprehensive Settings section, specifically under the Input tab, there are several valuable options readily available for us to customize. In the very first input field, we have the ability to precisely specify the calculation period of this insightful indicator, which is conveniently set to 40 by default. The higher we meticulously set this particular value, the more acutely sensitive the indicator becomes and the more historical candles it thoroughly analyzes, but it will also consequently generate its signals with a more noticeable delay. Conversely, the lower we carefully set this specific value, the indicator's overall sensitivity significantly increases and it generates its signals with considerably less delay. However, these particular signals are inherently less reliable and may produce more false positives. In the next section, we can enable alerts to be sent when the trend changes and the histogram color changes. By default, these settings are disabled, and if the first input is set to false, the other parameters are not functional. However, if the alert input is set to true, alerts will be issued for us whenever the histogram color changes from red to blue or from blue to red. In this next input, we can also enable or disable sending alerts to the mailbox. If we set this option to true, we need to have completed the email settings in the Tools tab under Options. In the following input, we can also enable or disable sending alerts as notifications. In this next input, we can also specify the time interval between alert messages, which by default is set to 4 candles. This means that when signals are generated, the indicator will issue alerts for up to 4 candles, and the signals remain valid for us for up to 4 candles. In the last parameter, we can also enter the alert subject or a custom message in this section. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.